Welcome to Art of Forex channel. In this channel we will talk about Forex trading. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. In this video I will explain what's behind the chart. And what are the big banks doing to trap all the retail traders. Right here we have a MPL setup. And we have a fake out right here, R1. And R2. Retail traders will sell right here because there is a resistance has been formed. And their stop loss will be above the resistance a few pips. But the price shoot up taking out all the retail traders stop loss and goes down. Right now what retail traders sees this is just engulfing. Because the resistance has been break through and the price came back. Retail traders will sell again at the resistance, hoping it will goes down and their stop loss will be on the highest point. But the prices goes back up to the highest point taking out retail traders stop loss again and drops down. Right here we have a large supply zone with a significant drop. And here the price came back and dropped down forming a fake out. So we have two confluence to enter a trade. When the price came back it broke through the resistance eating up all the stop losses and goes down. When we switch to lower time frame we can have a smaller stop loss. We can use a line to find significant support and resistance as our entry point. Right here we have 3 resistance in a row. And there is a drop base drop. We float around 5 pips and the price goes down 60 pips, which is a very good risk-reward ratio. Right over here we have the same setup. A bunch of supports and a demand zone. The price break the supports to our entry point and goes up. But this setup right here I won't enter because the demand zone is not so clean. It has too many candlesticks sideways. Let's see another example. We have 2 supply zones with significant drop. And there is 2 fake out, one above, one below. The supply zone below didn't work because there is too many candlesticks and it is not a strong base. The price came back and closed inside the zone, which is not a good sign for us. And it has become a fake out. We have a support and resistance right here. The price came and took our entry and goes down 400 pips. Please share this video to your friends and subscribe to this channel. And I will explain more on how the market works and how big banks trades.